So my ingredients is onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper, guys, and all of this now with some bell pepper, all different color bell pepper, I'll be adding to the pot. So you saute this for like a minute, guys, before putting in your saltfish. Take a look. So pretty. Take a look at my pot full of provision or ground food, which is white yam, boiled banana, you can see the boiled banana here, and some cornmeal dumpling, guys. Just take a look at that pot of food sitting and ready to be devoured. See you. Now that the seasoning or the ingredients is ready for the saltfish, guys, this is the saltfish. I'll be dumping it in the pot. And give it a stir, guys. Look at that. Then I'll be adding some black pepper. That extra flavor, guys. So you cover and simmer for like a minute or two, guys. And guys, if you want the saltfish to have extra gravy in it, this is one trick my grandmother taught me. The water from the food, put a little on your saltfish. See, 2 spoons or 3, and let it simmer with a lot of tomatoes in it, guys, and you will get a nice gravy. So let's cover and simmer. So now take a look at this, guys. See all that gravy? Look at it. And my food patties over there. So see you in the next video when some of this is on my plate. Guys, remember to like the video, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. So guys, this is what my dinner looked like on my plate, from my pot to my plate, guys. Cornmeal dumpling, cook up saltfish, bananas, white yam, and guys, look what to top it off. Avocado, Jamaican would say pear, guys, and with a bottle of water, I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner. Guys, thanks for watching. Remember, love yourself, treat yourself, big up yourself, and the word for today, give God thanks. Bye.